Okay, here, let me, what you gotta do is you gotta pull the spring back to get it out of the way. See the little spring here? The spring. So I'll use these tie wraps. Oops. Use the tie wrap. I'll show you once I get it tied up here. Okay, so see how the tie wrap holds the spring back here? Okay, so all you gotta do for both. You put your finger here, pull it forward, put the tie wrap in here. And that will hold. These are just the tie wraps from bread bags. Okay, so see the springs are held back. Now, to take the lid off, you got to put one of these forward, and the other one's got to go towards the back. Oops, how come this one not? She no let go. Okay. One forward, one back. What's wrong? One forward, one back. So you get the most. Oh, no. Okay, back. This one back. And the other leg go forward. So you can kind of bend it a little bit. Oh. Bend a little, there we go. Bend a little bit to pull out, okay? So now, to fix these springs, they go back like this. See the springs, they sit back here. Okay, so the springs sit back here, but you need them forward. So you use the tie wrap. Oops, she slipped. Okay. So use a tie wrap. Under, nice tight, and then it'll hold the spring. Same for the other one. Gotta pull the spring forward, put in the tie wrap. Underneath, so it'll hold. Okay, so you got both springs forward, and then these little nubs, you put one forward and then one back, but you gotta bend it a little bit. So you want it forward. You want it forward like this, so you get the maximum distance, and then you just got to bend it a little bit, same way I took it out. So you got push up a little, push up here and down here, and then it pops in. See? Push up here and down here, and she'll come in and out. Okay, then you release these. See, like right now, it's just flopping. That's how it is when it's broken. So you release. This will release the spring. The spring, you can see the spring is right in front of the, you can see the spring right in front of that little piece right there. Same here. So now it keeps it open, closed. That's spring loaded. Okay.